Hey guys, this is Way here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. Really excited to show you this 2025 Midwest Passage. It's one of the first ones we got on the Ford Transit chassis. It's a real smooth ride, and you know, typical Midwest, they like to put a fancier body kit on it, so it just looks a lot more high-end. 360 view camera, and I love this chassis. It's just fully loaded with all the features. We'll talk about that more when we get inside. This is a new screen they're using. Actually meets in the middle. And all of this wood in all the Midwest line goes through a 16-step process, so they never swell or expand. They're all solid. They insulate every part of these coaches. This is a marine grade flooring, so it doesn't fade over time like you see with the vinyl. And up in the front here, it's one of the first Ford Transits I've seen with power seats. So it's really exciting. They're making a lot of big changes. Nice big screen up front. These front seats also have the massage function. Oops, just turned it on. Anyways, a lot of Midwest customers are higher end clients. That's mainly what they target. Back in the day, they weren't even in the retail market. They used to do custom orders for like celebrities. You have controls up here to control everything in the back, so you don't have to get up and turn off any lights. Nice galley area, but they put a nice deep sink in these new ones, which is great. 2-burner induction cooktop. All the drawers now are recessed, so they're not sticking out for you to run into. But just great shelving. Everything about these guys are solid. Huge fridge. It's a newer fridge they did. Swings out a little bit wider. And they kind of addressed some of the storage issues they had in the past. They put a mirror here. And even the inside of these cabinets are insulated. So it doesn't matter which drawer you open up and push on the wall, you'll feel that insulation. So when that door's shut, you're not talking over all the cars driving by or talking over people or a generator. But anyways, our shades, which is nice. Last thing I want to show you guys, which is one of my favorite things that they load these guys up with. My name is Way. I work here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. If you guys would like to know more about this model or any of our other Midwest line products, just give us a call and ask for me.